Today we have an activity. We are going to make them speak quite randomly and they are going to talk. I will be giving different situations and let me see how they speak, right? Everybody! Are you ready to speak randomly? Please get up everybody, come on. Guys, in this bigger auditorium, there are so many things putting in front of your eyes, right? You simply have to go and select one thing, okay? I don't know what you are going to take. Maybe you are going to take this photo, chair, or maybe plant, maybe this stage, maybe this forest, maybe this polythene, maybe this LED. There are so many things putting in front of you. Go and I will be coming to you after some time and I will be asking what are you gonna speak about it. So you will have to speak what you have selected, okay? Go! Come on, go! Go in the auditorium, in office, Kapurthala Choraha, Aminabad. Go! Excuse me, what have you selected, sir?
Sir, this is the LED.
Okay.
And
where have you found this? Excuse me.
yes, sir, in the underside of the podium. Yes, sir.
Okay.
In the underside of the podium, sir. There is
You have to speak in a speed, okay? To have fluency.
50 watt, and there is a brightness for the
You are still lacking. Excuse me, come here. What have you selected?
Yes, sir,
You have stolen my mobile phone? Excuse me.
No, sir.
It was putting there.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay, no problem. Speak. Take it, speak.
Yes, sir. It's a very branded in our country, and you can see, sir, its camera is very so look like a
Thank you very much. Okay, fine. Excuse me, what have you found? You have found this pen?
One pen can decide your whole life.
Yes.
Through this, if you write anything, without this you can't be.
Where did you find this?
This is my own pen.
No, you have to just select one, project from here. You have to select something in the auditorium of Well Talk. Okay, come on. No, that is yours. Something which is putting in the auditorium of Well Talk. Don't speak what you already had. Come on. No, don't speak on this. Speak about something which is available in the auditorium. What have you selected, sir?
This is selected. This is a chair. This is
Okay.
very comfortable. You
Yes.
will sit then like a very comfortable.
Yes.
Look like a very good. And this is
Of
colour-
course, please have a seat. Yes. Tell me. Yes, how do you feel, sir?
Yeah, like a very good feel, sir.
Huh?
This is a very good and you comfortable.
So what is the difference between this chair and this chair? Come on, can you speak about it?
Yeah, sir. This chair is a very comfortable. This is a very good, and you sit then you very comfortable.
All right, sir. What have you selected to speak?
Yes, sir. It is a chair. Its color is white. It's this awesome chair. It has the 4 leg. You can see the look like awesome. You can purchase anywhere. You can purchase the Kapurthala. You can purchase in
Any motivation by this chair?
Yes, sir. You can see the one leg is broke. You can't sit here, and look like awesome. You can see.
You are repeating the sentences. Excuse me. Hello, dear girls. What have you selected? Yes, Riddhi. What have you selected? Tell me.
Sir, selected this picture because
This picture.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to speak about this picture?
sir, this picture all the pictures around the green is if you see the anything green you have to you feel very natural.
Okay.
There are lots of people they enjoy our life. They enjoy to each other. They enjoy each other. One girl sees something is with something in front of them, and they are listening of his word and. They enjoying together.
Yes, actually. All right. Excuse me. Hello, sir. What have you selected? Oh my God, I'm coming.
yes,
to
sir.
you.
This is the red in the color. This is the round in the shape. I think this is the cost of the 500, and this is some hole in there, and this is 8 hole, and this is made up of steel. I think this is for the sitting.
Fantastic. All right. Hello. Excuse me, sir. What's up here? Let me sit down here. Excuse me. Hello. What is this? Can you explain, please?
Sir, this is the ABC types of extinguisher.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the use of this?
This is the 3 uses. This is the A types of extinguisher, B types of C types of. The A types of extinguisher like any types of fire like plastic, paper, wood, that type, and B type like petrol, oil, any types of oil, and C type mean cooking and electrical hazard. So you can use like you can see.
Oh.
This is the pack. You can
If it starts burning,
Yes.
we can use to.
Firstly, you can just go there and just put on the say, clip and just write there and
And
see
this will be
look
used.
and
Oh.
and the aim on the fire, and that time you can just push.
Okay.
So everyone is okay.
Oh wow, very nice, good explanation. Hello, sir. Oh my God, from where have you stolen this? You have broken?
No, sir, no, I am not broken. Sir, it is the fan. It is very useful for me for in summer. When you feel hot, you can use this, and this is the very lightweight, and the color is the white, and there are a lot of things, and this company name is the High Flow Crompton, and it's very useful for you.
That's fantastic. All right. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Sir, this is the LED we can use for the brightness, and the Penguin company made by China, and this their color,
Speed, sir. I want speed.
color is black, and there is a rectangular shape we can hold somewhere and give shape of the any type of. There is a wire if we want to bright, we can put hold in the plug, and after that there is a 7-meter wire, and after that there is a.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
We can put somewhere right for like. Excuse me. What is this?
This is a digital board.
Yes.
This is made by India company.
But this. Who is this?
This is a capsule.
He's looking very smart. Who is he?
He is on Veltach honor. This
Okay.
is who is.
I want to meet him. Where is he? Where is he? I want to meet him. I want to meet this guy.
You meet yourself.
Oh my God! I have to meet myself.
You are Kev, sir. You are my Veltach honor.
Come on, find some other thing to explain. Come on, I would like to come here. Excuse me. What is this, sir? What is this? Can you explain about it?
Yes, sir, I can explain. This is the plastic money plant, and he don't need to soil, and he don't need to water, and he don't give to us.
It's artificial.
Yes.
I think it's not good for us.
Yes, sir. It's not good. It
For
not
what? For wipes?
Sir, for the brightness, for the
for decoration.
But we should plant like natural plant, right? Why are we planting this artificial one? It's not good.
Yes, sir. For decoration. For decoration.
And background, good background for this shirt.
All right. Please, Kailash, come here. Come on. All right. Neha, come here. Okay, I'm coming to you. Neha, please come here. Explain about these people.
This is an aviation.
First of all, let her explain, okay?
Sir, this is my dream to get that job. This is my dream. These photos keep motivating me to an aviation. Whenever I feel down, I feel that I now nothing can be happen. These photos keep motivating me.
Oh my God, the cabin crew, right? These are selected people and will talk.
This is.
Join will talk. Excuse me. Join will talk. If you want to become a hostel,
I promise myself that I will be there. One photo will be there of my in uniform. This is my dream job.
You want to be in this uniform or in this uniform or in that uniform?
Yes, sir. I want to go in indigo, and I'll wear that indigo uniform. Then only I will get.
Promise.
This is my promise to Veltach that I will be without wearing that uniform. I'll never do any job unless I
Wow,
get.
she spoke well. Okay, please, Kailash,
Sir,
you speak.
these are the selected student of the Veltach Institute,
yes.
and we can feel motivating. And these are the chair of Cape, sir. There is the
It's not a capsule chair, man. Come on.
No, sir. This chair is
Okay, no
Cape,
problem,
sir.
no
And
problem.
these are the artificial plants. This is the natural plants.
Yes.
These are the chair. If any student will come, so sit here.
Any motivation for this?
Sir, this is the AC Voltage company.
Any
AC, so-
motivation? Any motivation?
Sir, any motivation, we can feel cooling. After that, we can work with nicely, with confidence. This is the this is the
Time which keeps.
watch. So we can watch time.
Come here, please. Come on. What do you see from here? Come on. What do you see from here?
This is the scene of the 6 o'clock, and in the Lucknow there is the that vehicle and motorcycle bikes
People
and
are
taxis
going
are
here and there,
going here and there.
That's great.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Come on, can you explain about this?
Sir,
What comes in your
this
mind?
is the Indian flag.
Yes.
And in the there is three color. The saffron color feel like motivates, and the white color peace, and the green color.
Oh my God, you're not able to explain. Come on, come inside. Come on. What is going on here? Hello. What are you observing here? Come on.
It is a short table. He has an iron. And
Why is it putting here? First of all, tell me.
sir, we can put biscuit and chai, and we can sit here, and we can converse here, communicate to each other.
That's great. Can you explain about this? Why is it?
Sir, it is the TV and it is a LED TV and its name is OnePlus TV.
Okay.
And we can see match and we can see serial also and we can see picture.
Okay.
Whatever we want to see, we can see.
Fantastic. Let's go in the class. Come on, come from there. Okay, yes, Arunesh, what have you taken?
Sir, this is a tripod. You can, with the help of tripod, you can capture the movement with beautiful and without any blur movement. And with the tripod, you can learn the thing that be someone's live tripod that he can, that the man who can see the beautiful picture with the help of tripod and be someone's live tripod.
Very nice. Be the support of somebody like tripod. Good, yaar. Fantastic. Oh my God. Hello. What's going on?
Yes, sir.
Explain about it.
Welltalk Institute, and he's the owner of CAP, sir. And here, subscriber of 392K subscribers.
Oh my God! Subscribe the channel. Oh my God! We are going to cross to 4 lakh subscribers.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Do subscribe right now. Excuse me. Explain about it.
Okay, sir. Here in this
Oh my God! He's not able to explain. Anybody can explain about it. Come on. Yes.
Yes. Sir, this is the Welltalk Institute YouTube channel. Sir, in the Welltalk means we can talk well.
Oh! Yes.
Sir, that is the beauty of the Welltalk Institute. If any student will come, we feel motivated. We can speak nicely, and after that we can clear our interview and all. These type of
Indians,
things.
sir, not only Indians, even the foreigners are also.
Sir, 392.
Sir, this is the only platform where the Welltalk got the biggest name for not only in India, even from the world. People.
I want to meet Cap, sir. I want to meet Cap, sir, first of all. Where is Cap, sir?
This is not only institute, sir. This is our family, sir. This is our family. We can learn. We can speak anywhere, and we can also.
First of all, tell me where is Cap, sir?
Sir, you are the.
Where? Excuse me. Hello. Where is Cap, sir? I am Cap.
You don't know about CAP, sir?
Yes.
You should join the Welltalk Institute. Who is CAP, sir? You should come on the Welltalk. That's why you know very well.
Okay. Don't advertise too much. You are doing publicity, guys. I think. Come on. Can anybody explain about this stage? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Come. Yeah, explain, Vikas. Explain.
It's just like a stage when you
Come on.
It's just like a stage when you come on the stage.
Is it like a stage or it is a stage?
It is a stage. When you will come on the stage, then you will feel I am here. Just you will be looking like a politician. Yes, sir.
He's not able to explain, guys. Come on. I want somebody to explain about this stage. What are you doing, man? Come on. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
it
Come
is
on,
not
well
a single stage. It is my feeling. It is my emotion.
Oh, yes.
It is a Welltalk. It is not a Welltalk. How much sacrifice sir has done behind it, we can't imagine it.
Yes.
This is a Welltalk. Yes. When I came first time, when I was watching the video on YouTube channel, that time I was not aware where is the Welltalk. When I watched some videos and I saw that there was a Cap, sir, and I just figure out who is the.
Speak about this.
Okay. This is stage. If you are standing here, means you are everything. When you come here, that time you feel who are you. What is
Oh
your
my
capacity?
God.
When I came first time on speaking here, I was just shivering. I was unable to speak. But right now I'm speaking before you all. Means that I have learned something from here. Because of this stage fear, the Lords Supper, they are unable to speak. But who person can speak who has joined the Welltalk Institute?
Oh, you guys are doing publicity only, right? Come on.
Sir, we are not doing
No,
publicity.
please speak about this stage. What can we do from this stage? It is a feeling. Anybody, come on. Yes, come on, speak. Explain about this stage.
Sir, this is a stage. If you want to remove every person who is the beginner in our coaching, in this coaching, Welltalk Institute, every person who want to be remove our fearness, then you have to come on the stage. You will have to come on the stage. Without coming on the stage, you cannot remove your fear. Yes. Sir, in a beginner time, if I came here,
when I came here,
that time I was not able to speak one English word. Then when I came here on the stage, I feel like I am afraid. I cannot speak very well. When I came here day by day, I can see my improvement. Oh my God, which type of improvement in inner?
Oh
sir,
my God,
in
he's
my
lagging. He's lagging.
In my inner, I cannot, sir, certify. Sir, it's a miracle. It's miracle change in our life.
You again doing publicity. I तारीफों के पुल के नीचे मतलब की नदियां बहती हैं. Do not compliment. I want you to explain. Be an explainer. Excuse me, sir. What is this? Has your wife given you this?
No, sir, it is no gap even this. It is dustbin plate. You know.
Dustbin plate?
Yes, sir. Dustbin
Okay.
plate. You will purchase anywhere. Only for the market you will.
No, he's not able to explain. Come on. Let me come to you. Mr. Ajay, what have you selected?
Sir, it is white color chairs. It is completely made by our India, and it is diamond color. Diamond company manufactures in this chairs, and it is look like very good. We feel very comfortable in this chair.
That's fine. Very nice, sir. Arnesh, come here. Can you explain about this table?
We can sit here, and all colleague will sit here, and the sir is sit there, and we can discuss about the debate. We can discuss here to how to debate and what we can going to do for our future, and we can do lots of things from the here. We can make decision, and
Very nice.
we have give the power to speak here with the public.
Exactly.
With-
We empower people to
Yes,
speak.
sir. We, sir, help us to empower. Helps us to empower that how to talk and with some of people's there in stage and.
So, okay, does it have any importance or not?
Yes, sir. This is important. We are from learning there. We can go to find some jobs, and there is that meeting table which help. Then is realize that we can speak somewhere with the same table. So we.
Fantastic, very nice, sir. Hello, Riddhi, what have you taken? What is this?
This is the marker, sir. This is
So, what do you want to explain here?
CC camera TV.
Okay, CCTV camera. One is there, one is there. What do you want to say about CCTV camera?
So CC camera TV is that type instrument. You can see if you not able to in this institute, you can notice the classroom. If you happen something, if you're not able to hear, you can see anywhere.
If you are not present here.
If you're not present here, if you want to see what is happen here, you can see anywhere.
Oh,
And,
I can see the people, right?
Yes, sir. You can see the people, and CC camera TV is also useful for us because if we.
All right, no problem. Yes, we are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is a helmet. It's a black color helmet. You can see, and it's look like awesome. And inner time is very comfortable. And you should wear before the riding. And it shapes you. It shapes you. And you can purchase anywhere. Every person should wear this, and every person can use this. It is very cheap and best. So that's why.
Great. Hello. What's going on?
Sir, that is camera stand. We can put our camera and record the session, video, audio, and different type of session. And
Any motivation by this? Sir, any motivation?
Sir, any motivation we can got motivation that if we record any type of video and all, after we upload the YouTube channel and all, there is more and more views. We are getting more and more views. So we will feel motivated. After that we will do again and again that type of thing.
It is very important for us, right?